Hello students, today I am going to explain one more question from the depreciation and method is diminishing balance method or reducing balance method or written down value method. So I think you watched the first video, you understood something. Today I am going to explain one more problem when there are two trucks are bought, how to calculate the depreciation and how to show the machinery account, how to prepare the machinery account. I will show you and I will explain with detailed working note. Okay, let us start our topic. So on the screen you can see the question. I am going to read the question. On 1st October 2017, Raju Traders bought a truck for rupees 15,000. They bought second truck on 1st April 2019 were rupees 10,000. Depreciation is charged at 10% under a reducing balance method. Prepare truck account for 3 years. That is the question. Now I am going to show the working note. Working note. On 1st October 2017, Raju Traders bought a truck for 15,000. Okay. So here we should prepare the accounts at the end of the financial year. That means March 31st. Okay. When they bought the truck here on 1st October, that means we should calculate the depreciation from October 1st to March 31st onwards. That means October 1st 1 month, then November, December, January, February, then March. Total 6 months depreciation we should calculate on the first truck in 2018 on March 31st. Okay. 2017 to 2018 it is financial year. 2018, okay, when they bought October 1st they bought, that means the truck is working from October to March 31st in that year. So here the cost of the truck is 15,000 into 10 by 100, and in this year we have to take only 6 months depreciation. So if you simplify, you will get 750 depreciation in this year. Okay, understood? Then 2018 to 19, again 2019 March 31st we are going to calculate the depreciation. That means the same truck will work in the second year full year, so that we have to take full depreciation. Now we are doing this question in diminishing balance method, so that from 15,000 we should minus 750 depreciation, then equals to 14,250, that is the net value of the truck, into 10 by 100, so 1,425. So that is the second year depreciation on the first truck. Then again the same truck will be continued in the third year. In the third year means 2019 and 2020, again we have to calculate full year depreciation on the first truck. So here the second year net value is 4,250, second year depreciation is 1,425. If you minus 14,250 minus 1,425, you are going to get 12,825, that is the net value of the asset into 10 by 100, so 1,283. That is the depreciation on the first truck in the third year. In the third year, in the same year, they bought another truck for 10,000. So second truck on 1st April, first beginning of the year they bought, so that the second truck is going to work for 1 year. So directly we can take 1 year depreciation on the second truck. So you can see on the screen, 10,000 into 10 by 100 equals 1,000. That means when they bought the second truck on April 1st, from April 1st to March 31st, it is going to work. So it is 12 months, 1 year, so that directly we can take 10% depreciation on the second truck. So 2 trucks together, the depreciation is 2283. So in this way, first we should calculate the depreciation. Okay. Now I am going to explain how to prepare truck account. Okay. You can see on the screen. So first to draw the truck account, ledger account. So date, particular JF amount, date, particular JF number and amount. This is the format of the truck account. So in the truck account, first we should write on the debit side, we bought first machine when 2017 October 1st. So here also same journal entry, truck account it are to bank. So to bank, the amount is here 15,000. In the same year, we calculated depreciation under working note. So we should write on the credit side of the depreciation, here the journal entry is depreciation account data to truck account. So here we calculated depreciation 750 for 6 months. 750 we have to show. So nothing to post in this year. So we should balance the account. So debit side 15,000 and credit side 15,000. So credit side from 15,000 we should minus 750. Remaining balance on March 31st by balance CD it is 14,250. The same balance will be forward to the next year, that means 2018 April 1st to balance brought down, the amount is 14,250. In the second year we calculated depreciation on the first truck, okay, 2019 March 31st by depreciation account we calculated depreciation under the truck account. So we are going to show here 1,425, that is the second year depreciation on the first truck. So nothing to write here, again we are going to balance. So both sides total is 14,250 and 14,250. From 14,250 if you minus 1,425, balance is 12,825. In front of 12,825 you have to write March 31st by balance CD. Understood? Now the same balance will be forward to the next year. On the debit side 2019 April 1st to balance BD amount is 12,825. So you can remember in the third year they bought one more truck, that means second truck. We have to show on the debit side truck account it are to bank. So April 1st to bank account amount is 10,000. Then credit side we have to show the 2 trucks depreciation. So you can show the depreciation separately on the first truck and the second truck. Otherwise you can add 2 trucks depreciation and directly you can show. Okay. So on the credit side 2020 March 1st by depreciation here 2,283, this depreciation on first truck and second truck also. So here nothing to post anything. Now I am going to total both sides 22,825 and credit side also 22,825. So from 22,825 if you minus 2,283, remaining balance will be 20,542. In front of 20,542 you should write March 31st by balance CD. Okay, they asked us to prepare 3 years truck account, so we prepared 3 years truck account. At the end of the third year, whatever the balance we are showing here, the balance should be transferred to the next year. 2020 on the debit side, 2020 April 1st to balance BD 2,542. So in this way we can show the truck account. Okay students, in this problem you understood when they are buying 2 trucks or 2 machines or any 2 items, how to prepare machinery account very clearly I explained here, and the previous slide I explained how to calculate the depreciation. In the depreciation you should focus on the dates and years, that is very very important. So depreciation will be charged based on the working period, maybe in months or maybe in 1 year. Okay, so focus when they bought, how many months the truck is going to work or the machine is going to work or asset is going to work. That is very important. Okay, so dates are very important. According to that date we have to take that dates also. So in this way, if you just concentrate seriously on the working note, so there is no problem with the truck account, very easily you can prepare, but only thing is you should focus on the depreciation. So if you make depreciation very clearly, so you are going to get full marks in the depreciation topic. I think this second problem also you understood very well. Okay, so practice more problems to get the perfection, and if you have any doubts you can ask me. So I think this diminishing balance method second problem gave very clear understanding about the problem. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share to your friends and like, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to get more new updates. Thank you very much. Yours Mohan sir. Jai Hind.